most extreme places. Source, Insider, Popular Mechanics. By VisualGK.com. Coldest place. Average daily temperatures in Oymyakon, Russia, the coldest permanently inhabited settlement in the world, hover around -45 degrees Celsius in the winter. The frigid town's record low is -68 degrees Celsius. Only Antarctica's Vostok station has recorded a lower temperature. Highest elevation. A gold mining town in the Andes Mountains, La Rinconada, Peru, sits at more than 5,090 meters above sea level, making it the highest settlement in the world. Scientists are working with locals to understand the effects of the thin air, half the oxygen of that at sea level, on their bodies. Driest inhabited place. Chile's Atacama Desert has long been heralded as the driest place on Earth. Quilagua, a town situated on the northwestern outskirts of the desert, holds the record for driest inhabited location in the world, with an average 0.5 millimeters of rain per year. Most naturally radioactive place. Residents of Ramsar, Iran, who live atop a slab of radioactive limestone, are exposed to a whopping 260 millisieverts of radiation each year. That's 13 times higher than the public dose limit, recommended by the International Commission on Radiological Protection. Hottest place. The highest temperature ever recorded by a weather station is 54 degrees Celsius. This was measured on June 30, 2013, in Death Valley, California. However, the hottest ground surface temperature ever measured was not in Death Valley, but in the Dasht-e-Lut Desert, in Iran. A NASA satellite measured an unbearable 70.7 degrees Celsius there, in 2005. Wettest place. A village called Mawson Ram, located in the Khasi Mountains, in the Indian state Meghalaya, lies at an altitude of about 1,430 meters. The village receives an annual rainfall of about 467 inches, or 1,186 centimeters. Snowiest place. Since the World Meteorological Organization does not have any snow records, it's a bit more difficult to locate the place with the most snowfall in the world. However, Aomori City, in northern Japan, experiences an average annual snowfall of 312 inches, or 792.5 centimeters, the majority of which falls between November and April. Windiest place. Commonwealth Bay, in Antarctica, is officially the windiest place on Earth, according to the Guinness Book of World Records and National Geographic Atlas. During the winter months, freezing cold winds are recorded at over 241.4 km per hour on a regular basis, and the average annual wind speed is 80.5 km per hour. Most isolated place. Bouvet Island is the most remote island in the world. The island in the South Atlantic belongs to Norway. The next closest land point to it is Queen Maud Land in Antarctica, which is 1,160 kilometers away. Please like, share and subscribe. VisualGK.com